Hi friends, welcome to our YouTube channel, and in this video I would like to share with you the simplest way of arranging a rounded bouquet that we use in our store. This technique is very simple, and if you never worked with flowers or never arranged a bouquet, this bouquet is very simple and pretty much everyone can do it. For this bouquet I'm using white roses, some white staties and baby's breath. All you have to do is align the flowers like I do in the video. I'm adding staties between rose lines to fulfill the empty spaces in the bouquet, so the bouquet is going to look bigger. This bouquet I have 12 roses in total. You can do the same thing with bigger amount of roses. The next thing you have to do is to lift your roses downhead and add flower filler around them. When I use baby's breath in a bouquet, I always trim it just because it looks more aesthetic and better looking. In a bouquet like this, you have to make sure that you tidied it really well so the stems are not moving to the right or left. And as you can see, I'm trimming baby's breath once again so the bouquet looks complete and beautiful. Now we're going to wrap up our bouquet, and I'm making sure that the space is clean. For this bouquet I'm using pistachio color wrapping paper. I felt like it matches it the most. All I'm doing is putting it in a triangle shape and staple it with stapler. The wrapping style I'm using in this bouquet is beginner friendly and pretty much everyone can do it. I'm using total of 3 pieces of paper, 2 on top and 1 to cover the legs. To give a finished look to your bouquet, you can cover the down part of your stems so it looks neat and beautiful. Imagine like your bouquet is a baby and you are swaddling the baby. So you have to make sure that everything is tight and neat, the stems are not moving side to side, and sew the paper. To complete the look of your bouquet, you can add decorative ribbons. I always use the same technique, and this time I'm using 2 different kinds of ribbons. And just be prepared that your first bouquet most likely not going to look professional, and it is totally fine. With practice you're gonna get it. Just invest in yourself and don't stop. With desire and practice and patience, everything is possible. And here's the final look of the bouquet. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.